Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna let you know how you can connect your Exness to Tradingview. In order to link your Exness to Tradingview, you just have to follow the simple steps. First of all, open up a browser, type in www.tradingview.com and log in into your account. When you're logged in from the home page, you could go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon and then you could go to settings. As you're on the settings page, then you could go ahead and select the broker account, which will be located right over here. And when you actually go ahead and select the broker's account, then what you have to do is next you need to click on the add broker button once again, and in the search bar enter Exness. When you select Exness, then you need to go ahead and in the API key field paste the API key field that you've copied from your Exness. So before you do this procedure, you need to make sure that you've already copied the address of your Exness. Only then you'll be able to paste it and you'll be able to link your Exness to Tradingview. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.